Now you may think that the program is completed, but I have to tell you that it is not completed. Still, there is ways that we can improve it. How? Just see here we are having the interface and also the MAC address inside the script, inside the program. Whenever user want to change a MAC address to a MAC address or change the interface, they need to open the program. It is not very good. Okay, so how can we fix this? It is better to ask the user to enter interface and enter the MAC address. So interface is equal to input, and let's here ask for interface. Okay, this is going to be the interface, and this part, it is going to be the MAC address. So input, and let's say new MAC. And now it is, I think, better. Let's go for this and execute this. Okay, what is the interface you want to change? It is ETH0. And what is the new MAC address? 0011. Okay, 11. Sorry. Interface is ETH0. Hit enter. Now 1100. Okay. 2233 and 44 and 55. Hit enter. Now you see that changing MAC address to this one. Okay, cannot assign request address. No problem. Now let's use ifconfig and see if it is changed or not. Okay, and here you see that it is not changed. Let's come back here. Okay, and see why it is not changed. Okay, it looks it is okay. It has no error here. We have no problem. Let's go and execute that again. Let's see what is problem. Okay, let me clear this or not clear. Okay, we have ETH0. Okay, so now you see that this is the MAC address. Okay, and 00. Okay, 11 22 33 and 44. This time again I'm going to change it back to 55. Hit enter, and you see that it is changing MAC address for ETH02. This MAC address, it is what we executed, or it is what we give. Okay, and now if I use ifconfig, you see that it is changed. Okay, I don't know what was the problem. Cannot assign requested address. Oh my god, it is something that I give. It's the problem is with giving this MAC address. It's not something that we could assign. Okay, and here we used input function. Okay, to ask the user to enter interface and new MAC address, and then we can use it. But there is still a problem. Okay, let me show you now. Okay, the user, it is asking the user to enter the interface. He is entering the ETH0 and then this semicolon, and then for example ls, again semicolon, and then hit enter, new MAC address, something. Okay, and you see here we have changing MAC address to this, and then we have ETH0. And again we have ETH0. Okay, we have macchanger.py, and then this thing not found, and then we have 3 times this one. Why is that? Okay, come on. And what is that? What happened? It is called hijacking. Okay, in programming language it is called hijacking. While we use this semicolon, okay, and then use another command, that means first it will execute this one and then it will execute this one. So it is one problem, one big problem. Whenever the user is going to use our program, he could hijack your program and use execute another command beside what we give. So we need to solve this problem. Okay, we can solve it very easily by just adding here, okay, and not just giving all this as a string, okay, by giving them into a list, okay, by putting them into a list. So while the user is checking, it will come and check if the thing that the user enter, if that exists in a list, so it will execute. If not, then it will not be executed. So let's go and see that in the next lecture.